What's up guys, Caleb Brown here from Freedom Life Influencer, and today in this video I'm going to give you a product. I'm going to do a product review on internet traffic mastery from the 4% group with Vic Strizers. Okay, so if you all looking at this video, that means you probably want to make money online. That means you want to learn about passive income ways to make passive income online. And if you like that kind of thing, this channel is all about. So welcome to the channel. And if you like that kind of stuff, passive income, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, whatever, subscribe to this channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell, okay? I'm going to keep coming up with valuable content to give the latest and greatest with product reviews, as well as the latest and greatest strategies and that you can implement in your business, and to teach you how to start your online business, okay? And give you some motivation as well. So subscribe and hit the notification bell. All right, guys, so let's get into the product review of internet traffic mastery within the 4% group with Vic Strizers. Okay, I'm currently, just to give you a little bit of background on me, I am currently in the 4% group. Okay, so I have some experience with it. I've gone through a lot of the courses and a lot of the products that the 4% group has access or has been that has available with the course. So the 4% just really went through a big change, right? So they restructured a lot of things, and now they're not just a affiliate marketing program, but they're really a course or like a hub for anything business or entrepreneurship related. Okay, so if you have your own real estate agency, or if you have your own brick and mortar store, or if you're trying to make money online, if you're trying to make money simply with affiliate marketing or drop shipping or whatever it may be, if you need advertising, if you need to learn how to do advertising or marketing, the 4% group has all of that, okay? But one thing in particular they have is a course called Internet Traffic Mastery, okay? Internet Traffic Mastery, ITM. And Internet Traffic Mastery basically teaches you step by step. It has individual modules. We'll get in the computer in a minute. Individual modules that teaches you specific ways to get traffic, whether it's free traffic, whether it's paid traffic. It teaches you everything you need to know about traffic mastery. And if you're trying to start a business online with affiliate marketing or internet marketing in general, you need to learn how to drive traffic. Traffic is the #1 important thing that you need to know in order to be successful in your business, okay? And that's what Internet Traffic Mastery does. So let's hop into the computer and take a look down deeper into Internet Traffic Mastery with Vic Strizers, okay? So see you in the computer. All right, guys, so here we are in the back office of the 4%. So when you sign up for the 4%, and if you want to sign up for 4%, that link is in the description. Check it out. The 4%, like I was saying earlier, has all different types of programs, right? It has programs that, a multitude of programs, right, that you can take advantage of. So we won't get into the details of that. You're here looking at this video for Internet Traffic Mastery, so I can give you a product review. My internet's going, here it is. So Internet Traffic Mastery. You see that I have it, it's active, I have access to it. So I have purchased the program. They have Internet Traffic Mastery, traffic generation strategies, SEO mastery, Facebook PPC secrets. They have a lot of tools and resources for anybody who wants to generate wealth and become their own boss to utilize. But Internet Traffic Mastery. So like I said, I already have the program. I can access it here. So this is Vic Strizers. Vic is a real and down-to-earth guy. He's very trustworthy. Once you start listening to him and the way he teaches, he's very relatable, and he's a people's person, right? And you can just feel his energy. He's really very trustworthy. Okay, so that's a Vic Strizers. Very cool guy. Very well self-made millionaire. You know, he's been in the business and the game for a long time. But so Internet Traffic Mastery has multiple modules. So module 1, traffic rules, strategy, and the game plan, and it goes all the way to module 12. So 12 modules, okay, and in each module there are different videos. Okay, so you have your custom tracking set up, right? So this is the video for Click Magic, and then if you need Click Magic, you go there. But I believe it's module 2. Module 2 has different. No, let's do module 3. Module 3 has multiple videos that you'll need to watch. So I'm just what if you're going to take the program or get the course, right? So there's traffic agency video, right? It teaches you how to hire traffic agencies if you want to go that route. There's email media buys, where you basically go and you buy emails. If someone already has a list of 1,000 people who are looking for affiliate marketing offers, you can basically buy it from that person who has the email list and shoot your offer to them. And then you have networks, right? So there's different platforms you can use to get basically this 24-hour traffic. So basically it means you get traffic within 24 hours, really good targeted traffic. So Vic teaches on that. That's module 3. So you can see there's multiple modules with different topics. This is influencer traffic media. So it's talking about Instagram influencers or YouTube influencers, where you'll reach out to them and reach out to their audience, and then you'll basically, whatever their prices are, you'll give them a certain amount of money to basically run your offer to their traffic, and then you'll get traffic from them. So it's Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, influencers, bloggers, podcasts. So there's a lot out there that you can learn from Internet Traffic Mastery that you need to learn, guys. Trust me, do not try to guesswork I repeat, do not try to guesswork how to generate successful and targeted traffic. Because if you don't get traffic down, you will not have a business. I'm telling you, you would spend years trying to figure out how to get traffic right. And this is what Internet Traffic Mastery is doing. Okay, it lays out every strategy, every successful plan that you can do step by step to make sure you're mastering traffic. Okay, so this is the course. Like I said, 12 modules, a couple of videos within each module, but it's worth it, guys. It's worth it. As far as cost, the program, I paid $1,497 for this course. I started like 5 months ago, before the 4% went through this whole reorg change. Then the price was high, but now they're having a special deal. I believe it's $997. So I'm telling you, with the information that's in Internet Traffic Mastery, if you utilize it and put it to the work, you'll make that back and more. I'm telling you, it's a really good investment from my point of view. If you want to check it out, like I said, the link will be in the description for the 4%, specifically Internet Traffic Mastery. Okay, and then you can go up here and check out any of these other courses and programs that the 4% has. Okay, guys. So, guys, if you like this video, if it brought some value to you, if you like this kind of product reviews, or if you don't like it, just let me know in the comments. Comment below if you have Internet Traffic Mastery, and if you don't, just let me know what kind of courses and resources that you need to be successful in your business. Okay. Thanks for watching this video, and again, subscribe if you want to learn how to build a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Subscribe to this channel, okay, guys, and check the links out in the description. If you want to check out 4% and Internet Traffic Mastery, check out the links in the description, and comment below. Okay, thanks for watching this video. See you soon. Peace.